Hi, so I'm going to be recording intake and output as if I were going to see how much the patient would drink at the end of the shift and how much they voided. So coming out of the urinal, how much they drank and got rid of. So in order to do this, I put some gloves on because I would be dealing with bodily fluids. So and then I made it so that I could see the measurements clearly. So I got the measurements on a level surface. If you can see, and they're both evenly on the straight surface. And at first, in the first one, I have 225 milliliters for my intake. And that's how much the person would have drank. And then coming out, that's just an amount of money. I mean, in an amount of liquids coming in. And then I took it to be 400 milliliters as well. And then, I have two other cups that I would be able to put that in, and then so I wrote that down on my paper. So I have the amounts given. I wrote it down on my paper, so I didn't make a math error. And so together, added the 225 to the 400, I got 625 milliliters. And then, so I'm gonna discard the outtake because that's because of the amount that's given. I'm just gonna discard it because that's what the person urinated in. So I'm gonna get rid of it, and so just flush in the toilet, and then so I'm gonna after that I'd wash my hands, make sure that my hands were clean. Following that, and take off my gloves and wash my hands thoroughly. In order to make sure everything's clean and that my patient had the right amount. And I checked on this, I recorded the time that the person had the intake and output record, and I'm gonna use some clean paper towels to take care of the rinse and to rinse this. I'm gonna take some clean paper towels and rinse this out too. Good. And disinfect that and put it where it needs to be put away. And then make sure that I discarded the gloves and everything so it's properly recorded. And for that, then my intake and output is done. So I measured the amount at eye level for the amount of input and output. I checked it, and I gradually poured the fluid back into the container. And then I added the amounts of each liquid together, like I showed you. I got the 225 and the 400, so 625 milliliters. And then I cleansed and rinsed the things, and I'm gonna practice hand hygiene once more, and then I'm complete. So thanks for watching. Hopefully that wasn't too overcomplicated. So thank you.